Hi everyone, JC here. I will show you my lead extended folding leg. Okay, here's the folding leg. Very small, very light. Let's open it. On the back you got a little black button you press on and it will give you a quick flashing. You got a bit slower and a continuous one. In other words, you got 3 modes of flashing. You choose the one you like. And that's it. Okay, let's put it on the drone. Here's my drone. You got 2 holes on the top of the landing gear. Make sure they match with the one on the drone and down the top one. Okay. A simple click and that's it. Open up the leg, press the button and that's it. Obviously you choose the mode you want. Switch on, press the button again. Fold the legs and just pull out. That's it. Okay, we're gonna go outside and see the drone flying. Very good lid and tripod and not expensive at all. Look at that, how beautiful it is. And that drone will be easy to land it on grass or sand or whatever because the propeller won't get damaged. Turn around and let's land it. Easy to land it on the hand if you wish to. You can grab it very well. And that's it. That's the drone, that's the landing gear. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.